I have hijacked Kenny's golf cart at Toyota of Bowling Green, so I guess today is the Trent Ranburger's Golf Cart Confessions. And who will I interview next? Well, it's none other than the one and only Erica Spillman, Keller Williams. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, good morning. How are you this morning?
Awesome. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. A little early, but it's a good morning.
Little early. We've already been working hard this morning, let me tell you.
We put out Paul, we put out Stan.
Paul didn't want to work.
No, it
But
is.
Stan's up and running.
Yeah, Paul finally got up. Yep.
Paul's in the game, guys.
Paul's up,
Paul's up and running.
Up. So, this morning, we're here to talk about you,
Oh, gosh.
Miss Spillman,
Okay.
with Keller Williams Realty.
That's right.
So, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm actually a Glasgow native, but I own a marketing agency and I'm a real estate agent with Keller Williams First Choice Realty. And you know, it's all things real estate. So when you think of real estate, think of Erica Spillman.
Oh, want to buy something, sell something? Sell
That's
something,
right.
buy something.
There you go.
Call Erica.
That's right.
Keller Williams. Let's ride.
That's right.
You gonna drive?
Okay.
Do I
I'm gonna
need-
drive.
do I need a
I don't know
seatbelt?
if this is safe. Buckle up.
I might
for
need a
safety.
seatbelt. Ah! Here we go.
Oh, I'm not authorized to be doing this.
That's okay. That's okay.
That's okay. We need seatbelts.
Kenny, he let us
Seatbelt.
go.
Bye, Kenny. Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia.
So, this is Golf Cart Confessions as we ride around
Okay.
the course here.
Okay.
So, in due the Kenny Landrum fashion, what is a confession of yours, Erica?
Oh,
Da-da-da.
aside.
Drum roll,
Drum roll.
please.
Bop. If I had a horn, I'd be tooting.
I know, right?
Toot toot.
Toot, toot.
Well, aside from my love of donuts, which most people know that, what most people don't know, if you don't know, I am horrified, terrified of spiders.
Oh!
Spiders. Man, I can deal with the snakes. I cannot deal with spiders. I don't know what it is. That 8-legged, creepy crawly. Ooh.
Spider bugs.
Ooh.
Spider bugs.
Everywhere. So
That's mine too.
no.
Like literally. Honest to
No.
goodness. Honestly.
No. You've done this?
I've done this.
And yours were spiders?
Mine was spiders. Yes.
What is
like
happening
a year
here?
ago, I did my golf cart confession. Hang on, I ain't hijacking your show. I just hijacked the golf cart.
Yeah, that's right.
Literally, about a year ago, my confession was spiders. I hate I'll die in a vehicle over a spider. Yes.
That leads to a great story, Trent.
Oh.
Y'all, so one day I was out working, I got out of my car, went inside, talked to some people, got back out, and I noticed a farm truck. You know how they have those, like, what are those mirrors that are kind of like off of the truck, you know, kind of come out a little bit?
Yeah, and big ones.
Yeah, the big ones. We got them big mirrors
Big
on there.
mirrors.
Well, I walked past this truck to get into my car, and I walked into a spider web. It was everywhere.
Ah.
I was like, okay, I checked myself, no spider, just a spider web. Okay, you know, coast is clear. No, coast wasn't clear. Got my car, buckled up, and then all of a sudden, the creepy crawly crawling down my shoulder.
Oh, no.
You know those Facebook memes? Those crazy people that blow up the cars and dive out the car? I
Yes.
dove out the car. Car was in reverse. Jump out. Thank goodness it didn't go anywhere. Nobody was injured. Nobody was injured.
Nobody was injured.
But this sweet old man come walking up because I'm hooting and hollering and jumping around and you'd have thought I was on fire. He come walking up and said, "Ma'am, are you okay?" Well, you know what? No, I'm not.
No,
I almost got
not at
attacked.
all.
I got attacked. I almost got ate. And he said, "Honey, what is wrong with you?" I said, "Well, a spider got me. It's got me." He said, "Where is it?" And we're looking around and I'm like, "Oh God, we don't know where it is. Where is it?"
Oh, that's the worst.
Look down. Thank goodness. Look down.
Look, hang on. There's a spider web.
No,
I'm not lying.
we about to dive out of my golf cart,
Kenny,
people.
come get the golf cart.
Kenny, we gotta.
Yeah.
We need a gun.
Woo.
Anyway,
Flamethrower.
Oh yeah, I like that better. So anyway, this little old man spots the spider. It's on like the ring around the car of the door when you open it. He's got his bib overalls on, cute as can be, man. I'd have put him in my pocket if I could have.
Right.
He jumped down, smacked it, wiped it off on his leg, and has set his own.
Like it was nothing.
Like it was nothing. I'm like, you have just saved my life.
It was a
You are a
terrorist.
knight in shining armor. And
Yes.
he said, "Oh, honey, you're okay. Is there anything else?" My wife doesn't like spiders either.
Yes.
Like, you have saved my life, sir.
I need you to ride with me forever and kill the spider bugs.
So the entire day, I felt like I had,
Yes,
spiders crawling
yes,
all over
yes,
me.
yes.
It was, gives me anxiety talking about it.
People don't understand the fear. Like arachnophobia. Hashtag arachnophobia
If I
is
could
real.
spell that, man, I would try.
It
but I
is.
can't.
It is arachnophobia. That's the easiest way to spell it.
Hashtag arachnophobia.
Arachnophobia. So yes, no, that was literally my confession like a year ago as well.
What the what?
I have a saying: 8 legs, no legs, or a stinger. I ain't messing with bees,
Out.
snakes,
We out.
or 8 legs. Done. So yeah. Well,
A dead spider is a good spider.
Amen to that.
Yeah.
Uh,
that's what
I mean, hashtag spiders' lives don't matter. I don't know if that's politically correct.
is that politically correct? I don't know. Don't tell Kenny.
We won't tell Kenny.
We won't tell Kenny.
We
Don't tell
hijacked it.
Kenny.
Hashtag don't tell Kenny. So, Erica,
Yes.
Keller Williams,
Keller Williams.
selling houses,
Real estate.
selling real estate.
That's right.
Selling property.
Helping people.
helping people
That's right.
find a place to put a roof over their head. What's a phone number for them to call?
270-670-7796. I have that phone attached to my hip at all times, and if I don't answer, I will call you back. I pinky promise.
So 270,
Promise.
Pinky Promises, 270
670
670
7796.
77.
All things real
96.
estate.
All
Buy, sell,
things.
or invest.
Hey, there you go, guys. So if you are looking for a piece of property, need to sell a piece of property, or just want to go look at a piece of property.
Yeah, I mean, there comes a point when, that home turns into a house. It doesn't meet your needs anymore. You got growing families.
Oh, that's
you know what I mean?
nice.
You need a home. I want to help you find your home.
Yes.
You know?
So if your home is turned into a house,
We
call
gotta find a new home.
Erica to turn a house into a
To
home.
That's right. You turn the house into a home.
There you go, guys. Okay. Well, I think Kenny's looking for his golf
I
cart.
think he is. Oh, is he running? He's running.
I don't know. Well, we stole the golf cart
We
this
stole
morning,
it.
guys.
What if y'all see us riding around Bowling Green, maybe can you get a ticket?
I don't know.
Man,
Joe
I
Immel,
hope not.
don't tweet us out. So, happy Friday, guys. Happy weekend. Erica, thank you.
Bye.